Alright. What's up? It's Prospector Field. And I noticed something kind of cool out here today. It's an optical illusion that we're going to try it real quick. Find it in nature. You can just recreate it, but this is more fun. So if you look right out at a point on the gravel bar there, and what we're going to do is we're going to stare into the moving water for about 10 seconds and then stare into the water and just stare at a fixed point and then move your eyes right up to the land. So let's do that for about 10 seconds here. And stare up at the land. Did you see the gravel bar move? It should move that way after you stare into the water. And that's a illusory motion optical illusion. It's kind of cool. This one is called the motion after effect, where if you stare at something go in one direction for a long time and then you look at a fixed point, the fixed point appears to be moving in the opposite direction. So kind of cool to just see it out here in nature and listen to the bubbling waters. I'll just keep the camera here for a second if you guys want to try it again. It works a lot better when you don't have the camera, and if I had this on a fixed tripod it would be nice, but we would try. Do it again, another 10 seconds. Well, and that's it. That's my video today. So, and here's my view this morning out across the nasty waters. Had a lot of bald eagles flying through here. Been kind of cool. Some of the birds, they get noisy. And that's actually right there is a really good fishing hole right there, right the other side of the rapids. Well, not even rapids, just the quick current. There's just like a calm area there. But I don't think I want to swim across. So that's my video this morning. This is my view. And thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And as always, like and subscribe. I'm gonna have more videos, so I'll keep them coming. Thanks again, guys. Bye.